Hi friends, hola amigos. Thanks for joining us for a STEM time. Today we are going to be experimenting with a leak-proof bag. Let's get to it. Okay, for our experiment today, you're going to need lots of sharpened pencils. You're going to need a gallon-sized Ziploc bag and some water. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is fill that bag about a third of the way with water. I think that looks, well, let's just get it all in there. There we go. Okay, and then you're gonna seal it up. Make sure there are no leaks before we start, because we want a leak-proof bag, right? Okay, I do not see any, I don't feel any water, I don't see any water. That's just a drop from the pitcher. So this is totally dry. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start poking pencils through and see what happens, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, so here's my bag, here's my pencil. I'm gonna poke it in slowly, okay? So poke it in slowly. Oh, do you notice there is no water leaking? And we're gonna poke it in to the other side. What do you know? Look, no water is coming out. You can do that as many times as you want. And I do not see any water running down the sides. Let's do it one more time. I wonder how many pencils we could get in here. Oh, there you go. I hope you had fun pushing the pencils through the bag. The bag doesn't leak because it's made of a polymer, which are long, flexible chains of molecules. When you poke the pencils through the bag, the molecules spread apart and then seal themselves together around the pencils. To explore further, try using different objects to poke through the bag, like a pen or a pipe cleaner. You could also try different plastic bags. Please comment below on what happened during your experiment or post a pic. Thanks for joining us. Bye.